Hey everybody, Hardtechticon is back with another BBTS unboxing. And I misplaced my knife, so we're just going to use this Dark Star Saber from Dr. Wu. Let's get right into it. So, I haven't been doing every single one because I like to try and keep my Big Bad Toy Store unboxings mainly, oh, it's getting glue stuff on it. Mainly Transformer related, and just not a lot of Transformers coming out that I want, at least. So this one, very Transformer related. In fact, very Age of the Primes related, and some other cool stuff. Now let me make sure there is no receipt in here. It doesn't look like it. So let's check it out. First we have the Vector Prime, or Prime Vector upgrade set by DNA Design DK61. I've already got Vector Prime, had them for a while now, so this is going to be a very cool upgrade kit, and it's definitely going to make them really step up to Megatronus. So yeah, very cool. Next up, we have Onyx Prime. Very cool looking bot, as you can see. After that, we have Micronus Prime. One of my favorite primes, if not my favorite. Looking very cool in the Apex armor. That disky thing inside his chest right there, that's actually Micronus. Thing I'm most excited about, again, is Defender version 3 of the Blokees. I mean, look at all the guys you get. You finish off the Constructicons, even got a green coin. You've got Hot Rod, you've got Nemesis, or excuse me, not Nemesis Prime. I am sorry. That is Shattered Glass Prime. You got Shockwave and all the crystal clear colors. I mean, lots of cool bots to have in this one. If I could pick which one I could get, I would like Soundwave number 1, Grimlock number 2, the armored versions, and then regular sound or Galaxy type Soundwave, then finally Galaxy type Grimlock. So yeah, we'll be doing a lot of videos with all that. And finally, big Mortal Kombat fan, big Sub-Zero fan, so I had to get this. And actually looking at it, it seems a good bit bigger than the Mortal Kombat 11 figures. But look at that box art. That is pretty cool. I do plan on getting Scorpion and Reptile. Just not now. Of course, because BBTS is awesome, you get the sticker, which I got a trillion of, and you always get tons of bubble wrap. The good stuff. Look at all this bubble wrap. So, I'll be making videos soon, so I will be seeing y'all very soon.